My mom got me this. We're going to see what's inside. So like I said, my mom got this for me, which is so nice of her. She said she found it at DSW. Really random. It's a shoe store. Ooh! Got some sunscreen. Perfect. Ooh, we got some Sprite. Got some Minute Maid, 0 sugar. Fruit punch. Oh snap! Got the 100 euro. I'm rich. And some Minute Maid. Got a lot of drinks going on over here. Some OJ. It's cute. And last but not least, let's see. Some beef broth. Delicious. What a nice assortment of goods we have here. And we even have some money to spend. Yay. Thank you to my mom.